Hello there, fellow Windows 11 users. Are you looking to bring the power of Google Photos to your PC? Well, you're in luck. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps of downloading Google Photos on your Windows 11 device so you can easily access and manage your cherished memories right from your desktop. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's what you need to do to start downloading your Google Photos. Open Google Photos on your browser. Tap the image you want to download. Tap the More option button in the upper right corner. Tap Download. To download multiple Google Photos, just highlight the selected photos and click on the check marks found at the upper left side. Do this for every photo you want to download. Tap the More option button in the upper right corner, then tap on Download. Thank you for tuning into our tutorial. We hope you found it informative and helpful for managing your precious memories. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay connected for more tech tutorials and exciting content.